Hello students, today we are going to start a chapter volume and capacity of 8th class. So student, what is a volume and what is a capacity, sorry. Now volume, the amount of space each of these solid occupied is called the volume, and what is the capacity? A liquid contained in a container. Right, this is a difference between the capacity and a volume. I will give you examples. Suppose there are a two container, right? This is a 2-liter container and this is a 4-liter container, right? And I put a water in a both container to 2-liter, right? Right, so in this container there are 2-liter water, and in this container there is a 2-liter water. But what is the volume? Volume is the water in the container, right? And what is the capacity? That it can take a 4-liter water, but we put a 2-liter. So what is a 2-liter? 2-liter is a volume, and what is a 4-liter? 4-liter is the capacity of the container, right? Now there is a formula of cube and cuboid. Now volume of cube, that is A cube. A is what? A is a side. You can say side cube. Suppose the side of cube is 8 centimeter, and we have to find the volume of cube, that is 8 multiply 8 multiply 8, which is 512 centimeter cube. It is denoted by cube. Area is denoted by square, and volume is volume is denoted by cubic. Now, and what is the formula of cuboid? Volume of cuboid, that is length multiply breadth multiply height. Now in a cubic cube all the sides are equal, but in the cuboid length, breadth and height are different. Let us suppose that length is equals to 9 centimeter, breadth is equals to 4 centimeter and height is equals to 1 centimeter. Now volume is what? Volume is 9 multiply 4 multiply 1, that is 36 centimeter cube, right? Now come on, the first question. See, there are a container where the question number 1 is match the measuring jug with the container that are needed to fill. See, there is a first question. This is a container, jug, that is a 750 milliliter, that is 1000 milliliter, 500 milliliter and 250 milliliter. Now there is another one container having a 500 plus 250 quantity of oil. So they match with this, because we have to make a 750, so that should be matched by this. And in a second topic, just you have to color within a that is a 1 liter. Suppose we have to color up to 1 liter. Now 1 liter is this, 1000 milliliter is equals to 1 liter. In a second part you have to color up to 1000 milliliter, right? With this your 22 chapter is complete. Thank you and have a nice day.